Alright boys, how's it going? My name is Mark Roden and welcome to the channel. First off, today's Friday. I have 3 videos that I'm trying to edit and get out to you. Well, this one's going to be the 3rd one. So when this one goes up, it's probably going to be around Tuesday of next week. But on today's episode, boys, I got myself into some trouble and decided I'd spend a lot of money on a starter BMX bike. And it just got here, so this is the Kink Gap matte body white 20-inch BMX bike. It was $379 on Albi's BMX. I'll put the link in the description for the bike down below. Yeah, today we're just gonna unbox this. I'm gonna take it out there though. I'm not gonna do it in here. We are on a strict time schedule though. I'm gonna unbox it and put it together today. It is about to rain, like this close to raining, and so we have I'd give myself an hour before it starts to raining, and so we have like an hour to put this thing together and take it all apart. So it's going to be kind of tough, but that's all right. If you want to see more BMX videos, let me know. I'll probably do them anyway. I'm really getting into this kind of stuff, and I want to see if I can get better at it. So yeah, just subscribe if you like that kind of stuff. All right, boys. Little update, I screwed myself over. I jinxed myself. I said it'll start raining in probably an hour, and not even like 30 seconds after I turned off the video. And it is, I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't, but you can see it on the car. Like it's coming down. So I have the box outside. I just brought it outside. I'm gonna have to put it back in here, and I'm gonna have to put it together inside. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do it outside where it's like nice and I got the sun and all that. But unfortunately we have to do it in here. But it's no biggie. It should be fine. There's just not a lot of space in here. It'll be okay though. No worries. No worries. Okay, boys. First of all, this box, I don't think you can see it. That's gonna be a pain. But this box is pretty heavy. It's not light. Like this bike only weighs like 20 something pounds, but the box weighs like 50. I don't really know what else is in there, but it's inside now. First things first, you're gonna need yourself some scissors. Grab scissors. I'm sure you're gonna need, there's a spider right there. Get out of here, spider. I'm sure you're gonna need Allen keys too, so get some of those. There's a lot of zip ties. I recommend taking the zip ties off first because it undoes this wheel, so it'll come out. It's not coming out though. Doesn't want to come out. What's it stuck on? It's stuck on something. Oh my god, it like squoze it in there. There we go. The wheel. This is a thick wheel. Big old wheel. Then you want to take off this little cardboard piece. It's gonna rip that up. I don't know what this cardboard piece is and what this thing is. I think it probably comes off. Oh yeah, it does. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's supposed to be on there. You just take off the cardboard, and then I don't know what this is either. You know, honestly, I should probably. I don't know what this is. I think these are probably just like guards so that it doesn't get you know, hurt, because these are for where the pegs would go, I'm assuming. I don't know, boys. I'm gonna have to probably read the instructions, honestly. I didn't want to have to, but I'm probably going to. Alright, so next is all this paper that's on the bike. Look at all this like wrapping stuff. This comes right off. It's not a pain or anything. See, it is a pain. It doesn't want to come off. Oh my god, that's kind of annoying. There we go. But it's all over the whole bike, so I'm gonna do that real quick and update you. All the trash is off of it. Honestly, the bike, like, it looks like it's pretty put together. I mean, the chain and sprocket are on there. You're gonna need to put the paddles on, obviously. It doesn't want to go forward. Oh, that's because there's not a fucking wheel on there. The brake has to be put on. I mean, the front wheel and the handlebars and the seat. I think after that, that's it. Also, I don't know what this is. Looks like this just comes off, actually. Yeah, it looks, yeah, okay, that's just a guard. I was about to say, I don't know what that is, but it's just a guard. So listen, this is a great starter bike, apparently, because apparently it's got, what was it, what's the word I'm looking for? what's the word I'm looking for? Sealed back axle and an unsealed front axle, which isn't good. You want to get a sealed front axle too. But it's got integrated handlebars. It's a 20-inch with a 20.5-inch subframe. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's good. But look at that, boys. Look at that. Kink BMX. Ooh, I love this color. It's like a cream color. It's not like fully white, but it is white. That color is really clean. I like that color a lot. $370, boys. If you want this, $370, link in the description. Pick it up. All right, so they come with this little box. In this box, first of all, stickers. I love every time I get something and they send you stickers, it is my favorite part of the whole thing. They give you like a little thank you note thing, and then they give you a little owner's manual, but it's not instructions, so I don't think there actually is instructions. There was a paper that's over here. It could be this, but I think this is just my receipt. Let me just check this before I show it off to everybody. Yeah, that's just my receipt. It's not a instruction. So I don't think they actually give you instructions, but that's fine. It's not that hard to put it together. I mean, but also in this box it comes with like these little like lights. I'm not putting those on. I don't know what that's for. See, like I kind of wish there was instructions. I don't know what that's for. But it also comes with the pedals, obviously, and yeah, I still don't like. I don't know what these things are for. What is this? I don't know what this is either. Oh, it's just like a spec sheet, I guess. There's a little strap. I don't know what that's for. And then I don't know what that's for. I'm sure these 4 packages aren't necessary, so I'm gonna put them over here. I'm also gonna put all this stuff back in here for right now, because I don't need that right now. But I do need this stuff. I don't know what these are for, like I said, but I'll probably figure it out. I mean, it's not that hard. I also don't know what that's for. Like little tiny screws. They're very tiny screws. I don't know, boys. I'm gonna put on the pedals now, though. There's a little sticker right here. Get that out of there. I don't want that sticker on there. I don't want that sticker on there. Who do you think?
Stickers. I love every time I get something and they send you stickers, it is my favorite part of the whole thing.
All right, guys. It has been an hour trying to get these pedals on. I know that sounds newbie to you. And I ended up having to watch a video, and I found out, and I'm just sharing this with everybody else in case nobody else knows, because I had no idea that this was the case, but I found out that the left pedal, this pedal, you spin on counterclockwise, not clockwise. I was sitting here for an hour trying to get this pedal on. That pedal went on perfectly fine. This one took an hour for me to get it on until I finally decided to watch a video, and it was like, remember that when you're screwing on the left pedal, you have to put it on counterclockwise. I have no idea why that's even a thing. Blows my mind, but I'm sure there's a reason for it, but I didn't know that, so just sharing it with you guys in case you don't know that, because it just made me so mad trying to get this pedal on. I thought I stripped the inside of the pedal here, and I was like, nope, I don't want to do it anymore. But that wasn't the case. So another little update, got the handlebars on there. I recommend not taking out these screws. I didn't know what they were for. Found out it's for like lining this up with this. And it spent me like another half hour just trying to line it back up again, but I think I got it to almost the exact point. Next I'm going to put the seat on. The seat's relatively simple. First of all, it's stuck in there now because I sat on it. Whoops, but whatever. Quick update, I'm pretty sure the only thing I have to do left is put the wheel on. Brake line is on, that works. Handlebar is on, that works. Seat's on, obviously the back wheel's on, pedals are on. I think it's just the front wheel. Pretty good. She's all set. She's fully built. Look at this. It looks so nice, honestly. I love it. I love it. The only thing I still have to do is fill up the tires with air. Other than that, I did the seats on there, pedals are on there, brake lines attached to the brakes. Front wheels on there now, back wheels on there. I made sure everything was tight. Always make sure everything's tight. Handlebars are on there. If something goes, you're gonna be hurting. So I'm gonna ride it around right now. I'm not gonna record it because I don't have like a mount that I can record it on. I also don't have a helmet to even wear a mount on, so I kind of have to just ride it around. I don't know how to ride anyway, so it's not like it'd be anything interesting like me doing bar spins, tail whips, and back flips, and tiddly whips, and all those kind of whips. I'm not doing any of those whips. I don't know how to do it. Honestly, I'm just gonna ride it around, see how it feels, just because I want to. I'm stoked. I'm excited. I'm so happy. If you want one of these, like I said, link in bio. It was a little bit of a pain to put together, but that's only because I don't know what I'm doing. Like the pedals, they were a pain, but I didn't know that you put the left pedal on counterclockwise. I didn't know that, so that was my fault. The seat wasn't a pain at all. Seat was super easy. Handlebars were because hold on, I'll show you. I actually unscrewed this one and that one in order to take that off because I thought I had to when I didn't, and so that is actually moving the handlebars. Even though they were lined up already, I still moved them. I shouldn't have done it. It was my fault. And so I had to sit there for a while trying to line up the handlebars again with the forks. But yeah, other than that, I mean, everything else went really, really well. I thought I lost a bolt and I thought it didn't come with the pack, but it actually did. I just misplaced it. So everything honestly was really good. Big shout out to Kink BMX. They make some good bikes apparently. So I'm gonna have some fun now, guys. But if you stayed to the end of this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Probably going to be start uploading more BMX style videos and more car videos other than just top 10s. I wanted this channel to be about me, my vlogging, my life, and so I'm finally taking that step. I'm excited. Yeah, I don't know if you made it this far, comment kink, K-I-N-K, kink. Comment it down below. I appreciate you guys. Have a nice day.